Hey, what's going on YouTube? As you can see in my videos, I just posted my first flight with this thing. I couldn't wait to get it out and play with it, but I just wanted to, I'm not really big on the whole unboxing videos, but I'll do a quick little one to kind of show you what all comes in the box. This is just this isn't the Fly More combo that has all the extra batteries and all the extra accessories. It's just a basic package. It's only 400 bucks. This is the DJI Mavic Mini. It's your everyday fly cam. So, also really important is this. Because it's below 250 grams, it gets around a lot of regulations and laws in different countries. I guess because if it's below 250, it's considered a toy. So, I'm gonna open it up. You got your controller and your drone. So when I first opened it, these propellers were held together with a couple of those things there that fell in there. But I took those off and I left the stickers on for now until I got done doing this video. So kind of gives you some warnings and tells you how to open it up. So this one says charge to activate the battery before first time use. I did that. Then it has this is your gimbal protector. It just pops right off and on. See if I can get a better shot of this and get some better lighting. Not that way. And this camera shoots in 2.7K, 60 frames per second. Right. And then a little bottom shot. These are the only two sensors right here to help with landing and obstacle avoidance, only on the bottom. So let's see. By the numbers, one says unfold the front arms forward, and then 2 says unfold the rear arms downward. So we'll do that. The build quality, it seems fragile, but it seems pretty durable at the same time. If that makes any sense, probably not. So we got the front arms forward, and then these back ones, carefully flip them forward like that. And there you go. I'll give you a little size comparison in my palm. Very small. So I'll turn it on. Well, one press will tell you the battery life. You have 4 bars. To turn it on, you hit it once, and then on the second one, you hold it. So click, hold. And then you'll hear it beep. The gimbal does its little checks. Status light. And here we'll unfold the controller. They flip up like that. And these are the little arms that hold your phone. And then joysticks are hidden in here. They just clip out here, screw in. Now I'm going to show you what else comes in the box, but I already have the iPhone connector. One thing I want to show you guys, I was looking at this and I was like, how do you charge your controller? But let me show you real quick. While this looks rectangular, it fits the, I don't know, I think the USB B size, or I don't know what you call this, but this little trapezoid looking one if it's in the square or the rectangular slot here to charge it. But this is a DJI sort of proprietary plug-in, so it doesn't come out easy during flight. So there to iPhone. So in this little box here, it's a little screwdriver for taking the propellers off and replacing those. With this kit you get 4 extra blades in here. What else you got? Oh, and 2 extra joysticks for your controller. And then also got 2 other connections here. Let's see, this is that little rectangular connection to this USB type for your phone. Same here, you got the rectangular connection to USB-C. And then also you get your instruction manuals. I think this is like a little quick start guide, and then this is like your owner's manual book, real small. What else we got? A little do's and don't card. Interesting. Junk. Oh, here's your quick start guide. And that's it. Oh, actually, there was a little white charger about like that long. It's USB to that little trapezoid connection. I don't know what you call that, but I got my own longer cables. One thing I was really disappointed in is they don't give you like a little brick, like a wall charger. I would think that they would include that, so it's kind of like a ready to go box, but they expect you to have your own wall charger or some kind of USB charging. So I downloaded the DJI Fly app here. So we're going to go ahead and plug the phone in. We're going to open this up. So plug it in here. Alright, plugged in. Get the phone snugged up here. Oh, and then turn the controller on. It's just like the drone. One press, and then second one you hold. And then these will go solid, I believe, when it's ready to go. And then also down here in the corner, I don't know if you saw it, it'll say go fly, and then it just goes directly into the camera mode. So right here's your takeoff button. You click this. It says auto takeoff. This will the Will aircraft. I think that kind of messed up. The Will aircraft automatically take off to altitude of 1.2 meters. Avoid taking off in confined spaces. You know, my room's kind of confined, but we'll give it a shot. So press and hold. There she goes. show you the bottom sensor. If you stick your hand underneath of it, it'll be like, you know, don't touch me. And I got a warning here for restricted airspace because I'm on a military base. It just says, I agree to assume full liability for flying in this area. I'm gonna go ahead and land it. So to land it, you do kind of how you took off. Hold it. And it's just gonna land. Alright, now it's a little quieter. That's really the basics. It won't let you fly in around like the airport. So here it's kind of like, I want to say, how do I say this? I'm not allowed to fly this in the military base. They'll get mad. But it's like extra restricted at the airport around that area. So like it won't even let you fly there. Here I can click a liability waiver and click confirm and still fly it. But as soon as I get into the geofenced area that DJI has set out, it won't let me fly. I'm going to try to actually test it out later. Maybe sometime this week, we'll see. But I just wanted to give you guys a basis and kind of show off my new toy. So now I'm going to take off the stickers and stuff. I guess I'll show more of the app later on, and kind of once I get used to flying. The controls are not as easy as I thought they'd be, but it's not too bad. But that's all for now. You guys have a good one.